Hey loves, when I tell you like this is not part of the plan, I truly mean it. Like, we were not supposed to travel until in a couple of days from today. But guess what happened? Um, I was scrolling on X and a lot happened. Like, this is about to be a disaster because I've even actually had to call, um, I had to call just a couple of minutes ago. I had to call airlines to confirm if we're actually leaving, if our flights are leaving, are we gonna get a refund, are there any alternatives? Like, this is about to be one hell of a disaster. Funny thing is, I have packed, but I have not fully packed, and I don't even know like if we are even about to go to we are about to have this trip or not. And my husband is also working at the moment, and I don't want to disturb him. Like, I just want him to work. I'm like, I don't want to deliver bad news right now because I don't want to give him the stress at the moment, but at some point I have to. But at the moment I have to see if I can deal with all of this behind the scenes before I can actually inform him what's probably about to happen. Damn, I didn't see it going like this. Like, 5th anniversary, I had so much planned for you. Well, on the other side, I feel like me and my husband can both handle stress so well. So we'll see about this one, because when they say when life throws you lemons, you make a lemonade. So let's see if we'll be able to do that. This is where things get tough, and at this point I feel like I really have to involve my husband because we booked our tickets on a third-party website, of course. Yeah, so we called them. They were like, no, we've not gotten any confirmation, we don't know what's happening so far. I'm like, what? Like, what do you mean? And we also have hotel reservations which are booked, already paid for, not just one hotel, not just in any place, you know. Like, even before we travel, we like sleeping in Brussels, or we like sleeping in Frankfurt, whatever it is, so that we just wake up, we're in the airport in case anything happens, we're just all set. But damn, this is so much stressful than I even imagined. Like, there's so many things to do behind the scenes, but don't worry, I'll catch up and get back to you. The journey begins right here. Hey loves, and good morning. A lot happened yesterday. Like, within a span of a few hours, a lot of things just happened. But wait a minute, I'm going to let you know about all of that as soon as I'm in a position to do or to talk about that, okay? So right now we are actually, I've packed. I completely packed yesterday, and now it's about time to leave, even though today was not the day we were supposed to leave with our flight.
De IC-trein naar klokken van 11.
No.
Lichtervelden van 11.
still correct.
Okay. Whew. We're changing now. On our way to the airport. Yali. Just arrived at the hotel, at the airport, not the hotel. We've arrived at the airport. We've actually arrived earlier than planned, which is a nice thing. We were able to take our train, which was also amazing. Like, you know, we didn't want to miss another flight, to be honest. We felt like, oh my God, it's better to arrive earlier than later. Yeah, let's get out of here.
This is just a weird place. Dit is weer lekker.
You're so crazy.
What?
You and your French stuff.
One time, you know what happened? Somebody asked me something in French. They asked me a question, and I said,
Hey loves, so what?
no, nothing.
Wanted to say something to me? Tell me. I would also love to talk with you. My forehead is so shiny. So, hey loves, now we are in Brussels airport and we're about to check in and see if actually our flight is moving. Like, we don't even know like if our flight is about to leave or not. Like, we're so, like, from what happened last night, we're like, I don't know. We just hope everything will go on well from here. But other than that, we're just chilling. We came a little bit early, so we've just been here till and we just had a few drinks, and now it's time to probably go check in and see if that's going to work. In all honesty, like, flying is so stressful, but sometimes if you want to go to nice destinations, you have to sacrifice for that, and you always have to be prepared, and you always have to, like, you know, do all of that. So anyways, I hope I'll catch you guys with some scenic views here and there until we arrive on our destination. We've checked in, we've gone through the security control. Now we are looking for a lounge. We have some good time as we wait to board our flight. I mean, I think so.
Yeah, gate 8, so we look for a lounge.
Baby, come down. We're finally going to our lounge. Honestly, it's so nice to be here. Like, after you check in and everything, you start to feel a little bit better afterwards. At least that's for me. That's what Dimitri is going to eat. That's what he chose. It looks yummy though. At the lounge now, and I mean, I quickly came to use the bathroom. It's honestly so nice. I feel so good. Oh my God, guys, like, it just feels nice to know like your flight is moving. So from here on, we can actually start to book a hotel, because we don't even have a hotel to Lisbon. And we have the hotel, to, of course, in but we don't have hotel to Lisbon. So that's one thing I will work on, because that's my job, to book a hotel. It's Dimitri's job to pay for it. So that's what we're about to do. I mean, it's a family thing, right? Mushroom soup, it's nice. I really hate when people are staring and all I'm trying to do is just eat my soup and vlog, because there's no shying away from it anymore. We are vlogging everything. I love mushroom soup. Like rice and some chicken, basmati rice. It's tasty. So good.
Mushrooms. What is that sauce? I eat it too, but it's mushroom sauce, right?
Yeah. To go board now.